welcome to my channel. I hope you all are having a fantastic day and you're staying safe. So in today's video, I'm just gonna show you a few unboxings from Saint Laurent, Louis Vuitton and Dior. Yeah, just wanted to share those with you guys. And also, before I recorded this video, I actually recorded another video showing you how I did this look. So yeah, if you haven't watched it yet, check it out and hit the subscribe button and let me know anything in the comment section below. And okay, so let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so the first one we have is this little Saint Laurent item. So this is actually my first Saint Laurent purchase. So this actually has a ribbon, but my daughter played with it and now I can't find it. So yeah, so when you open it up, we have this envelope with the receipt, and we also have, I think this is the care booklet, I guess. So yeah, it's also an envelope, and inside has the care booklet. So yeah, there we go. We have a couple of cards in here. I think these are care cards, and this one is, yeah, the okay, this one is the booklet. Okay, so now this is, ta-da! So this is the Saint Laurent's bifold wallet with the silver hardware. So look at that, it's so pretty. There. So this is leather. Okay, there we go, with a YSL monogram pattern, this one. And then when you, this is the silver zipper, and then this is the zipper pull with a Saint Laurent engraved on it. There we go. And yeah, only one side. Then when you open it up, we have this one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card slots, 1 bill compartment, and the coin slot. Okay, so the one here is like, I don't know, for IDs, because it has this screen on it, and then we have the YSL Saint Laurent Paris engraved there in silver, and the button closure, it's not closure, also has Saint Laurent engraved on it. So there you go. It's actually small. If you compare it with a Victorine wallet, side by side, it's actually like they're the same in height, but when you turn it this way, you will see that the Victorine wallet is thicker. There you go. There. So that's it for the YSL. Now let's move on to Dior. there you go. Yeah, so I actually opened this already and I retied the ribbon because I always keep these things. So anyway, so this is Dior, and inside you have the receipt as well, and then there you go. Okay, so we have this little dust bag here with the charms inside. So just open this. So here are the charms. There we go. So we have the DI and the big O and the R. And then inside this dust bag is this big girl. So yeah, see, this is actually the large, what do you call this? I forgot what this is called. Large wallet, I guess. So let's put this on the zipper hole. There you go. So there we have the charms here, and this is actually leather in Cannage pattern. And okay, so this is the Lady Dior long wallet. Okay, so the leather is very soft. Actually, it's very soft. Okay, if you look at this in pictures, it actually looks like it's stiff and hard, but actually it's not. It's so soft and supple. You see that you can actually bend it like that. So it's so soft, smooth, and it's so I don't know, it's just, I love the feeling of it. So yeah, so the front has the Cannage pattern, and the back is just like a plain black leather. And in front we have this pocket here that you can put your phone inside, and on the back we have 6 card slots in here. And then when you open it up, we have just one big like compartment inside. So we have some tags here from Dior. So yeah, that is it. It's actually, this is actually big. You can't put this inside Palm Springs Mini, and yeah, those bags like those, because it's actually big. So this is the Victorine wallet. Do you see that? See? It's actually wide and tall, but it's thin. Yeah, so that is it for Dior. I so love the feeling. This is actually very different from the Saint Laurent, because Saint Laurent is hard. This one is so soft like that, but the monogram pattern of Saint Laurent is still still soft. Yeah, but this one is softer. Dior is so soft. This one is, you can just feel like how durable it is. So yeah. Okay, so the next one we have is this Louis Vuitton item. So this one is the receipt, and then we have this sunglasses case in here. Look at that. Oh, inside we have the care booklet. Got that there. And then just put it aside. So we have this sunglasses case. This is my first ever pair of Louis Vuitton sunglasses. So I love the case. Gosh, yeah. So it's like it's like a trunk, little blue trunk, because we have this curves in the corners. So let's open her up, and inside we also have this Louis Vuitton I don't know, engraved here, and then it feels like suede because of how smooth it is. So yeah, and then inside this sunglasses pouch. Look at that. This is the pair of sunglasses that I bought. So look at that detail. So at the top here we have this monogram canvas, and then we have this studs in here, and if you really look closely, these studs, it has like an LV. It has the LV logo engraved on each of these studs. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there, you see that? We have these little LVs. Okay, so we also have the monogram canvas on, like the one for the ears, and then we have this LV engraved on the tip. So we have this like gold in here, and then this one, the black part is I don't even know what it feels like leather, but I'm not sure. And then here we have this made in Italy, and then in here we also have this thing engraved, but I don't know, you can't see it. There are numbers there. Not sure. Same as the other side, it has like numbers engraved on the leather thing here. So yeah, so that is it. I just love the details on this one. Look, it's unique, and yeah, that's the monogram canvas there, LVs engraved, especially with this one, the details on this one, it's so nice. So yeah, that is it. So this is what the sunglasses looks like on my face. So when you put it on, what do you think? See, if I do like that, you can still see the details at the top here, because this top here is not straight like that. It's kind of sloping downwards, so you will be able to see the details at the top. Or so yeah, I'm just glad that the sunglasses fits my nose. What do you think? We have these 3 items, so let me know what you think. If you have any comments, suggestions, just let me know, and thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.